I would like to welcome you all to this conference here on spirituality, spiritual perspectives on dying well, caregiving, and healing grief. I would like to thank Nalanda West and the organizers for such an ecumenical inter-spiritual dialogue on a most important topic, which is spiritual care and dying well. I'm so happy that this is happening here at Nalanda West, and it is our vision to serve the world community through bringing different wisdoms from all spiritual traditions together. So this is a great joy for me to see that this is happening here at Nalanda West right now. And so at this conference, we are blessed with greatly respected and wonderful speakers from the religious and spiritual traditions of Christianity, Judaism, Sufism, and Buddhism. I'm certain that this conference will bring clarity and insight into these issues from different religious and spiritual perspectives, as well as those of caregivers and persons who have and who are going through such powerful experiences in our life. As you all may know, that I come from Buddhist tradition, and I would like to try to touch base with some important points on our topic of discussion here. And really the question here is, how can we understand what dying well means? And what caregiving offers to our world community? Or what caregivers can offer to our world community? And that's an important question for us. And so there are two topics that I would like to speak briefly on: dying well and living well. These are the two topics that I'll try to talk about a little bit. So from ancient civilizations to the modern world, every culture is rich in literature on death and dying and what it entails. Many religious and spiritual traditions in the past and present have addressed how this experience of dying can be made a meaningful and powerful point at which to connect with a deeper or higher nature.